Good morning. It's August 12th, 2018. It's about 3:33 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to watch the Delta IV rocket at Cape Canaveral launch. We're 60 miles south, and there she goes. This should be a nice launch. I'm seeing it going through clouds already. That's not good. This is the Parker solar probe. Oh, I hope I get to see it. That solar probe, I guess, is pretty historic. We'll be hearing about that further, I guess, in the future. Oh, don't tell me it's not gonna. There we go. It's hard for me to hold this still. I zoomed it in. Of course, this is just my telephone. That's 8 plus. That's what it looks like from where it just took off. It just looks like a ball. Not much of a flame. It looked like it had three big engines on it though. I'm surprised there's not a good trail behind it. Although it is really moving. That's where we were looking, right down here at the end of the street. And now we're gonna have to go all the way up to here. Almost 2 o'clock, or close to almost 3 o'clock from where I was launching the launch. There's even stars behind it. Well, that really does get grainy, zooming it in that far. That's without the zoom. Right above my next door neighbor's home. With 3 minutes and 39 seconds, it's moved just about from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Historic flight. All right, one of the rockets just shut off. I don't know if they drop these down into the water or not. Those other ones, I think they come down and land on a barge generally. They reuse them. Yeah, thing's heading east. It's heading due east right now over the Atlantic Ocean. My grandson, who is about okay, that's it. She's out. My grandson just sent me a text message that said that he saw a shooting star right behind it. He lives about a mile behind me, or 2 miles further south from where I'm at. So it's interesting. I didn't notice that, but very interesting.